once I got started, it started snowballing. I started getting a lot of work, and I didn't say no.
Yeah.
Well, guess what? I'm down here Sunday morning filling that order. And I'm trying to think, how did I get into this? Gosh, my kids got ball practice, or my kids wanting to go fishing. My son told me one time, he was 13 years old, wanted to go fishing. Yeah, we'll go. When I got a call from a contractor say, hey, James, I need you out here on this job. Man, we got a problem. Oh, what is it? He said, well, my guys don't understand how this goes together. I said, oh, geez. He was one of my best customers. I'd already told my boy we're going fishing. It was on a Saturday. Mm-hmm. The man called me Saturday on the landline. I didn't have a cell phone. He called me on a landline as I was leaving the house. I told my son, I said, man, we've got to go by this contractor. I've got to see him. I got to. He looked at me and said, Dad, I'm not going to ask you again to go fishing. I'm just never going to ask again. Oh my gosh. 13-year-old boy tell you that he's never going to ask you again to go fishing. I got back on the phone with that contractor. I said, man, I hate to tell you this, but here's what I got. I can't go. He chewed me out one side and down the other. He said, you mean to tell me you would pick me over your boy? He said, son, this is a spec house. Your son is only with you a little while, and then he's gone. He said, you need to take that boy fishing. If I see you back over here, he said, I may not buy from you. So I loved him.
Yeah.
He was my contractor for a year. He's retired now. But
that is awesome.
Yeah, he had it right.
He knew what mattered.
He knew what mattered. So there are things that matter greatly, and that family is one of them. But you don't want to get yourself in that predicament. So you try to, that's why you got to have if you're going to get a little big, you got to have a partner that's in that same wave with you. They got to be in the same boat with you.